Yeah, I mean, it's going to be difficult to find words for that. I mean, 1.2 seconds behind qualifying, and then in dry circumstance to do what we have done today, I wouldn't have bet again, like in Spain, one penny on it that it would happen. Especially in the middle of the race, while I was behind Mika, I was pushing quite hard, going hard over the curbs, and I bent my steering, and I had a big play in the steering, and that was quite funny through Rouge. And I was close to stop the race because I was a little bit frightening through this high-speed corner and made to lose my steering. But then I spoke to the pits and they said, it's going to be a ride, and all of that together to win this race, I mean, it's just Hollywood life, I would say.
Well, we had our car was slightly quicker than Michael's, but when the yellow came out, we were trying to communicate through the radio to come in the pits, but we didn't understand each other, so I stayed out, and that was a big factor in the race today. But then it was close all the way to the end with Michael.
Yeah, I don't want this to become a habit to be third, but I'm very pleased indeed. Yeah, I think it went really well end of the day. Starting from 6 and coming third was absolutely more what I expected, to be honest.